Cosmos coin is absolutely exploding. Let's talk about where I think this coin could be headed very soon and some interesting pieces of news that I think you guys should know about. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my analysis on this coin. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you guys want a free stock, check out our link down in the description below. You guys can pick up a free stock with Public. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, here we are with Cosmos or Atom, whatever you would like to refer to it as. We're currently sitting at about $31.99. Might jump up to the 32 level as we're making this video, just to be aware, obviously. And obviously it's doing quite well, right? We started out this kind of huge uptrend pretty much at the bottom here, which is around September 11th, around like 6:20 in the morning. And then we just saw a gnarly run to the upside here into September 12th. And of course, just continuing to run now in, of course, the morning and, you know, the rest of the day. It's actually #1 trending right now as I'm making this video, at least on StockTwits, which is which is a very big deal, obviously. StockTwits kind of gives you a good idea of what's trending and what's not, what's doing really well, and what there's a lot of message volume on. But overall, let's talk about why this is happening, because I think a lot of people are likely confused. They want to know, why is Cosmos running? Is it too late to buy? They want to know all of these things. So let me help you guys out and give some information and see what we can find. So this is the first article we're going to be talking about. We're going to be specifically focusing though on what Cosmos is doing. So let's do a read right here. As you can see, as for Cosmos, on September 8th, Internet of Blockchain and Decentralized Application, or DApp, platform Alexer, sorry if I'm mispronouncing that, joined hands with decentralized exchange Pangolin. The move would enable the latter to access assets from the Cosmos blockchain and others. Before then, the network had expanded to creating DeFi ecosystems and forming cross-chain bridges with other blockchains. Meanwhile, money is being poured into Algorand, and that's the other part with the El Salvador stuff in Algorand, which is still really interesting. But of course, this video is about Cosmos. But that's kind of why, or at least what is kind of causing, or what Cosmos is kind of doing, and some different important factors that are going into it right now. But let's get into the real article here, which is kind of dissecting Cosmos on more of a recent basis, which is of course last like 24 hours or so. And that's simply this: Cosmos price is up 23.9%. Kind of buy Cosmos coin? Let's read. This week has seen several cryptocurrencies climb up on the trading chart as another bullish flag correction is formed. The ATOM, or Atom token of the Cosmos blockchain, is one of the best performers in the last 24 hours. Knowing bull runs can be snipped at any point, this article examines the Cosmos project and examines whether the time is right to buy ATOM and hold. Let's keep reading. Interesting stuff. Fondly called the Internet of Blockchains, the Cosmos network aims to connect crypto networks through open source tools. Cosmos' priority is to achieve interoperability. Wow, thanks for the screen time notification. Threw me off my mojo. My bad, guys. Between projects in the crypto industry. This enables them to share data and tokens easily with no central party facilitating an activity. The Cosmos network consists of many independent parallel blockchains and called zones. Each zone is powered by a Tendermint in the classic Byzantine fault-tolerant BFT consensus protocol. So that's just kind of breaking down, obviously, what Cosmos is, what it does, and a little bit of kind of the nuances with some of the DeFi apps and different things going on with it. It's very interesting stuff that I would love to get into in depth in this video, but of course we would probably be here for a very, very long time. So I'm just going to obviously keep reading kind of the surface level stuff and we'll get into it. This basically, the whole paragraph here just kind of goes over what Cosmos is, like I just said. So let's kind of skip a little bit down here. Is Atom ready to go higher? The Atom token started this year trading at about $5 before reaching an all-time high price of $32 in May this year. However, the crypto crash caused the asset to decline to $11 by the end of May. Atom continued to drop and traded for $8 on June 22nd, but this changed, however, towards the end of July. The virtual asset reached a price of $12 on July 31st, and this positive momentum has spilled over into August, ranking 41st by market cap. Atom is currently trading at $24.93, marking a 23.9% increase in the last 24 hours. The token is still cheap, and the recent jump is a price in price is a good signal for interested investors in Atom. So basically what they're saying is that the momentum looks good. The fact that it's continuing to rise steadily over the last couple of months is also a good sign. And just overall, it's a good positive note that Atom, or Cosmos, whatever you'd like to refer to it as, is continuing to push to the upside. Now, here's a little bit of technical fundamental analysis. We like to end the videos off and do our own technical analysis, but actually let's read some here and see what they have to say. Cosmos price is looking healthy on the trading chart. The governance token is trading above the 20-day and 200-day moving average. Support price at $18.99 $16.99 and $17.45 respectively. That is obviously a very bullish and great sign. The relative strength index currently trades at the overbought region of 72.15, which indicates that many investors are in the market to buy ATOM. That is true, but also to the RSI does of course indicate, like it said, when a coin, stock, whatever you're looking at, is overbought or oversold. The fact that it's in the overbought region, especially that to like 72, it's above the 70 line, worries me a little bit. It worries me because typically when the RSI peaks like that, not always, but usually, sometimes, most of the time actually, these coins or stocks or whatever tend to pull back because there's so much trading volume and it's run so high that it needs to correct in order to stabilize at the levels it's at. Otherwise, it won't sustain. It's just kind of really the basic ways the algorithm works and how prices are calculated, of course, on these different types of assets. It needs to pull back a little bit from those high RSI levels. You know, it's just kind of the way it works. It's kind of the way the market kind of flows, ebbs and flows. It's interesting stuff. Let's keep reading though a little bit more here and then we'll finish up this article and we'll do some trading or some technical analysis rather. This is confirmed by the crypto forecast website Wallet Investor, which believes that ATOM will go up and trade at $32 in 1 year. According to the prediction site, ATOM is expected to trade at $81 in 5 years. That's a 5-year price target of $81. And the rest of this just kind of goes over gravity decks and all this other stuff going on with it. Let's finish the video off though with a little bit of technical analysis here on TradingView. This is what we're looking at right now. Obviously, huge push to the upside. Let's pull out to a wider time frame here in the 6 month. And this is what we've seen, right? This is what they talked about with the large pullback here back in kind of late, early, mid-May. And now, of course, you know, stabilizing for a couple of months and now continuing to run to the upside. Now, if like they said in the article, I would not be surprised, guys. I would not be surprised if the bull run slows down, if not ends relatively soon. We've seen a lot of these coins, and this is what happens in a typical kind of bull run, a short-term bull run, is that all of these altcoins start popping up like crazy, right? They start pushing to the upside like crazy amounts. And unfortunately, that's not super sustainable long-term because obviously those types of percent increases in a single day usually come with pullbacks. It's a give and take type of relationship. And that's what most crypto coins, the way they trade, that's the way they trade. It's what happens. But the nice part about all of this though, is that if you're a long-term investor, right? If you're somebody who is not concerned about the day-to-day fluctuations of these coins, you're buying and holding for the long term, like that 5-year price target set of $81. If you expect this coin to hit $81, I would expect that you don't care what you're buying this thing at. You don't care if you're buying it right now when it's peaking. You don't care if you're buying it when it's low. You're waiting, right? You're buying and you're holding and you're waiting for the price target to eventually show itself and for the value to make sense. And that's what long-term investing in the crypto markets is, it's in the stock markets, and in anything really. You're buying and holding long-term and you have patience. Crypto, really the key with crypto is patience, guys. It's always going to be patience because the people who are patient are the ones who win and take home the most. We've seen it with Ethereum, we've seen it with Bitcoin, and we'll probably see it with every other coin in existence in this market. So be aware of that, guys. Always do your own research and due diligence, of course, but other than that, guys, that is pretty much it for Cosmos. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, check out our link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.